Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Surepayroll for payroll management. So, the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Surepayroll. That's right, and then you have this first website right here. So you just have to simply click on this one, and you will be directed to their website. Okay, so right there. Now to create an account, you just have to click on the get started option. Alright, and then right here, you just have to tap out your name, your email, and then your phone number, and then what type of payroll do you need. Okay, and then the name of your company. And then take note that this sure payroll is not available in all regions. So you have to be in that specific region in order for you to use this one. And for me, since I'm currently living in the Philippines, I cannot really access the actual tool or the actual dashboard of the Shore Payroll. But still, what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the products. So we are going to focus on the payroll, and later on, we will try to discuss some of the solutions as well. All right, so let's proceed to the products and click on the payroll option. Okay, so here this is the online payroll. So simple payroll that's affordable and stress free. So you don't need to be a payroll expert. You can run your payroll in minutes, and then they will automatically calculate the payroll taxes. So you just have to click, run, and done. All right, so we have here, so do the payroll in 3 taps. So run the payroll from any device in minutes, and no spreadsheets, no hassle. And then here, so here you can do the payroll in 3 taps. So run the payroll from any device in minutes, no spreadsheets, no hassle, and then skip the tax stress so they can take care of calculating, filing, and depositing. So your payroll taxes automatically. And of course, easy onboarding with free support. Switching is fast, free, and supported by real people who can help you every step of the way. Okay, so you can get hassle-free payroll for as little as $1 per day. So we have here the pricing. So for the full service, so pay employees in minutes, access reports easily, and get payroll taxes filed and deposited automatically for $29 per month plus $7 per employee. Okay, so for the no tax filing, so the features of our full service plan, except you're responsible for filing and depositing all payroll taxes. So this one is about $20 per month plus $4 per employee. All right, so now here's what you get with Sure Payroll. So you can spend less time on payroll and more time running your business. They can help make the payroll the easiest thing on your to-do list. So we have to streamline your small business payroll. So you can automatically calculate the payroll and payroll taxes and limited payroll runs included. So calculate, file, and pay federal and state payroll taxes, social security, and Medicare tax calculation and filing support. Access to the tax forms you need, including 940, 941, and W2 and 1099, and then download reports and pay stubs online 24/7. And then you can also pay all types of workers from quickly and easily from the same system. So salary and hourly employees, multiple pay rates, W2 staff and 1099 workers, and direct deposit, and of course unlimited off-cycle payroll runs. And of course, you can support where and when you need it. So, award winning customer service, Better Business Bureau A plus rating, and live help Monday through Friday, walkthrough videos, and help articles available 24/7. So, here you can take a quick tour. It's fast, simple, and all about making your life easier. So, you can actually play this video right here when you visit their website. Okay, so here You can create your account in 30 seconds, so you can get started right now. Just answer a few quick questions to get the ball rolling. And then step number two is to set up your business. So you can add your company, employee, your bank, and tax information. All right, and then you can also run your payroll for free on alternate months. So during your first 6 months with Surepayroll, every alternating month will be free. And since there's no commitment, you can cancel anytime. And then the payroll solution that fits your in your pocket. So their highly rated apps makes everything easy for you and to your employees. So you get the convenience of crunching numbers on your phone. They get to make changes to their account themselves without adding a task to your day. So it's a win-win situation. All right, so here we also have frequently asked questions. So here, can I run payroll from my phone? Yes, sure. Payroll works on desktop and on your mobile phone. So you can even enable auto payroll. And then will you handle tax filings for me? And that's yes. If you choose the full service plan, then they're going to file federal, state, and the local payroll taxes. So now let's proceed to the solutions. All right, so let's focus on the small business. Okay, so for the small business, okay, so here we have again the pricing and the service. So we have unlimited fast payroll runs. You can run payroll as many times as you need. There's no extra charge for off-cycle runs. And we also have direct deposit and automatic payroll scheduling, reports and pay stubs online 24/7, and then the payroll taxes filed and deposited automatically. So you can get your payroll for your needs and your budget, can get free onboarding help, and then get time back in your day. Okay, so now let's proceed to by industry. I'm just going to select the all industry. Okay, so here we have our accountants, churches and religious institutions, constitution and skilled trades, dentists, healthcare providers, hospitality companies, and more. So let's just go to the accountants. Okay, so here you can easily manage the platform. So the intuitive online dashboard puts all your clients' payroll needs in one place, and then your brand, their software. So you can add payroll to your existing services with minimizing your brand, your profits, your terms, and then best in class support. So their support team offers support services at scale to meet your needs. So basically, the Shore Payroll is an easy to use online payroll service designed for small businesses. It automates payroll processing, tax filing, and employee payments, helping business owners to save time and avoid costly errors. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.